How to remove the radio off your Chevrolet Traverse. Take a flathead screwdriver, or maybe if you have a trim removal tool, it will be more useful since it's in plastic, less chance of scratching. And what you need to do is to stick it right over here, you see, under the radio panel. I mean, this is the climate control, under over here, and pull. You're gonna unclip the bezel, and now there is a gap. Take your fingers, you may not need any tool at this point, and simply pull from down towards yourself. Okay, here we go. We simply unclipping it. Now you can set this aside. We don't need a climate control. This is the radio right over here, and you need 7mm sockets. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 7mm bolts to remove. Okay, do not lose them. Okay, that's good. And now take your radio with your hand and pull towards yourself. The radio will come out, and to unclip it from the back, well, over here, you need to press this tab and pull at the same time the harness. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand while holding the camera. Here we go. I remove these two connectors, and now the antenna cable. You simply need to pull it. There's no latch retaining it. And now the radio is out. I'll put links in the description if you want to get better radios for your Chevrolet Traverse. Some with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Check my links in the description if you want to check that. To get them from Amazon. You also support my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. To put back the radio is the same thing in reverse. Very, very easy on this model.